You like that?
I like it.
Yeah.
Maybe I will go back.
Come back again.
Ano ba bawal yung makeup? Tanit? Spam. Ano mga biscuit lang? Kasi pagdating nila doon, ano, hindi na sila makakalabas. Bawal. Sa loob lang sila ng school.
Ano yung paling pagkain nila?
Libre. Meron silang breakfast, merienda, lunch, merienda, tapos dinner. Nung nakaraan niya, parang ang daming sumukarang mga tinapay.
Romantic Baboy.
Mga pamerienda doon.
They give you what they want anyway.
Wow.
Okay, so Mike is cooking the barbecue and chicken and pork belly here at Romantic Baboy. It's Romantic Baboy. Romantic for the Baboy. So we're cooking away. It's all you can. So we're getting some meats here. It's iced tea is 88 cents, 88 pesos a glass, and 2 something for a pitcher. So they give you this globs of cheese that go around the edge and they melt with some egg and butter.
Baka meron sa Baguio.
Balak magtanggap sa Baguio. Baka meron doon sa Baguio.
That flame is really flaming up there. You can see it. It's flaming up. We're very thirsty. Grandma, we're very thirsty. We ordered 2 pitchers of ice cream. Right, Grandma? Are you very thirsty?
Yeah, medyo toasty. Romantic baboy.
Yeah, Romantic Baboy. We're very thirsty. Finished all that. There's egg, cheese,
Ito siguro yung
which they said is mozzarella, but I think it's
pwede sa Saudi.
it's Kasika white cheese.
Pwede yung romantic ano.
The sauces, the Kim cheese, the Kim in the park, and here.
Yun yung baka sa kanila.